Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As usual, today also in this video I gonna unbox and review a product. So guys, I bought this product from the Meesho. So first let me unbox this package. And also small request from you guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe me. And yeah, here is my product. The product name is Trendy Mortar and Pastel Set. So the packaging is well done. You can see. And here is the product. I got this product for 302 rupees on Meesho, and this is completely a marble one. Coming to the dimension, the breadth is of 15, height is of 10, and also length is 5 centimeter. This is so cute and it also does its job. What I liked is it's of marble. If you take a steel, it might get rusted, so I suggest you to buy this kind of marble or stone set. I think every kitchen needs to have this kind of product. Since it is small, I think it's best because it is very handy to use too. It is not too heavy. So this is how it looks. And moving forward, I gonna give demo also, so please do watch till end of my video. And the product link will be on my description. If you wish to buy this product, you can go and check it out once.